What's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be testing if it is possible to fit 42-inch tires on this Wrangler JL with only a 3-inch lift kit. But first, guys, don't forget to subscribe because that will help us a lot. And now let's continue with the video. And guys, before we start the video, I just want to let you know that this is very stupid. Don't try this at home because 42-inch tires will destroy your Dana 30. So I'm just going to try this to see if it is possible. I'm just going to try. I'm not going to off-road the Jeep with the 42-inch tires. I'm just going to test if it fits. So and guys, it looks just awesome, but look at the difference. Huge difference. Now let's see the spacing. As you can see, it can fit, but it's not going to flex anything. We'll still have like a few inches here. I'd say 3 inches. And with the 37s, we still got like these guys, just a little bit more. Not much a difference on that side back there, but you can see the difference in here. I mean, you can still do it, but I mean, it looks badass. Looks crazy. And here it is, guys. This is how it looks. I think it looks awesome. Just let me know, what do you think? Should I keep it like this, or should I go back to the 38s? I just know that it looks badass. Just look at those 42s compared to the 38s. These are massive tires. I really like it. But now let's test drive it to see if it drops or not. And yes, guys, it rubs. I mean, as you can see, this MotoBilt bumper makes a huge difference, so it is not even rubbing here. And this side is pretty good, I think. It's not touching anything here. Now let's take a look at the other side. Is touching right here. Maybe if we've removed the inner fenders, it's not going to do anything, because I don't think it's touching here on this side. So yep, the inner fenders. Now I think the rear is going to be a problem because I don't have not much space. But again, if we remove this panel right here, I think you're not going to have any problem. I mean, like many people do with 40s, just by removing this panel here and leaving this side. I think you can get away with it. But again, just let me know what you would do. Look at this Florida sky, guys. It looks amazing. And again, I think that the problem is the inner size. Let's take a look. Yep, it is touching right there. Let's see what's going on. And just like that, guys, I just installed one of the rear tires, and as you can see, there is no problem back here, but like I said, in here there is no room at all. You can see it is basically touching the tire. If you remove this, you have this space right here, maybe like 3 fingers, 2 fingers. So yep, I mean the front is not a problem, but the rear is. Let's look at the Jeep. It looks super awesome like that, but it will not work with a 3-inch. And of course, if you put 42-inch tires on a 3-inch lift kit, there is no off-roading. You have no flexing, you can do basically anything. Just drive it like a mud crawler, and that's basically it. And guys, another update. I just removed the inner panel. It's going to look like this. Now you can run it, but there is not much space here. So when the Jeep bounces, it is going to basically touch right there, unless you cut it. I think you have enough space to cut it, like I did on my JK, of course. I cut it this side here, not biggie, it's a Jeep thing. But again, guys, I don't really recommend doing this because you can destroy your axle. I'm just doing it for you guys to see if it was possible or not. And yes, it is possible. And this is how my JK looks now on the 38s. I mean, doesn't look that bad. And it drives perfectly, guys. The difference between these tires and these tires are huge. I really like these Milestar tires. And they look amazing. Doesn't look that bad. Just let me know what do you guys think in the comments below. Well, my friends, I hope you like this short video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because that will help us a lot. So that's everything we have for today. See you in the next one. Bye.